Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Got a new assortment, Muscle Cars USA by Auto World, and it's SC349. And this is the #1 car of the 6 cars. It's the 1968 Dodge Charger. This is the black one. We done a video already on the silver one. There's 6 different cars, 2 styles of each car, or 2 decos of each car. And this is the Dodge Charger, okay? Now, in a master case, there are 4 inner boxes of 12. That means you're going to get 1 of each in the inner box. And randomly in that 12 is going to be a white car. One of these cars will be done in pure white, okay? Which is really sweet because these are collectibles. Now, the only way you could guarantee a white one, you can buy them on our site, or if you buy an inner box of 12, you might just you'll get one, but you don't know what it is. Okay, so this is the Dodge Charger, the SC349 by Auto World.